31, 25, get on, 6 here, 25, 26, enter here, all weaned up boys just like a yearling, 25, 26, 21, 2, 91, 92, 91, 2.
Good morning, welcome to Rolling Hills Farm. As you can see, it's dark out. It's early in the morning. We've had snow overnight, 4 or 5 inches, and we've got to plow because it's sale day. And we need to be able to get the trailer loaded and get the cows off to auction. So you can see Dawn's out ahead of me. She'll hit the driveway, and I'm going to go in and plow the loading areas leading up to the head gate so that Scott, our trucker, can get in and we can get these animals loaded quickly and easily. LED lights I put on 2 years ago. I don't use them very often, but it makes a great circle of light for working out here. Call it out for me. Yeah, it looks good. 2 feet. 1 foot. Up. It looks perfect.
We were out plowing because we have lots to plow.
Yeah, this was all plowed starting at about 5:30 this morning.
I would say we got about 5 inches.
That's what it feels like to me too.
The day before, and we must have got another 3 or 4 last night. So
yeah. Let's go, come on. So in the load first, 2 very large cows the vet said were unbred, followed by 2 steers. Well, there's the first load.
I thought they were going to be hard.
Then came the next group, 6 calves from this spring, some heifers, some steers.
Okay, let's go guys, come on.
Heavens, they're so fast I can't even get them on tape. Nicely done, boys and girls.
I lost one 10 days after I weaned.
Oh, really?
My own calves, and they're eating silage with the cows.
Was it bloat or?
Yeah, I think so, because it was in the shed, completely flat.
Oh, yeah, this one he would just get up, but he was so big and he was so cheap.
Money on the hoof. There, 8 calves, 2 cows on the way to the sales barn. We're going to get some breakfast and then follow. We were a little nervous that prices might be down this week after all the talk of imports, and then with the snowy morning that some buyers might stay home. Well, those concerns evaporated immediately.
450, down 5, 450,
Prices way up for heifers and steers at the auction today. 500 to 600 pound steers were selling close to $4 a pound. That's about $2,400 a piece, a little below the market high back in October, but still about $500 more per head than this time last year. The auctioneer calls out a price. $4.50 is $4.50 per pound. Buyers like this guy gesture to show that they're placing a bid.
Here steers in, wean, 3 rounds of shot, bow shield, long time wean, good cattle, they're fancy.
The auctioneer starts each bidding session by talking up the individual farm and the quality of their cattle. Weaned calves with all their shots and not implanted with artificial growth hormones bring more money. And at this auction, Black and Angus calves sell consistently higher. Behind the show ring, which is actually a giant scale, workers on horseback shuffle groups of cattle in and out and keep everything organized.
Here you go, the gents cattle, weighing 614 pound steers, everything's done, weaned up, vaccinated, very, very good kind, no implants on cattle.
Our calves came up early and bidding top last year by a lot. The steers brought $3.86 a pound, or $2,370 each. That's up over $500 from last year.
They're easy to handle heifer steers from friendly mother cows we raised on their farm. Vaccinated October 22nd, 2025. Iron Shield 6L5HB, Vision 8 with spur Barsamas 2 booster shots November 4th. They've also been dewormed, ivermectin, boron, no implants in the herd.
Heifers brought $3.41, or $2,085. That's up over $400 from last year. The 2 open cows sold for about $2,500 each, again much higher than in the past. How you doing, Bill? Well, we're pleased with the sale results. I wish we had 100 to sell rather than 10 when prices are like this. But sales like this and prices like this are good for farmers and ranchers. Gives them a chance to maybe pay down some debt or expand their operations. Of course, expanding beef operations ultimately will be what drives the prices down as there gets to be more cows out in the country, larger herds. But the popularity of beef for the consumer remains very strong, and those fundamentals are good for the beef industry. And you know, we feel like good for our channel here at Rolling Hills Farm. We get an opportunity to talk about this strong industry, a strong business of cattle farming, and maybe you know, give a little inspiration to young farmers or other people who want to get involved in this business, which has been so strong for us. Thanks for watching. There's a lot of winter ahead, and we've got some cold weather on the way that we need to prepare for. But in the meantime, it's time for beef sales, taking a steer to slaughter and getting that meat back for the other side of our business. We'll have all that for you next. We'll see you then. Let's go now. You're in the chute.